Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this amazing makeup look. I already did my skin and my brows. I'm gonna put the links here in the card for you guys or in the description box, but it's not finished yet, and I'm gonna do this eye with you guys. And for now, I just have a little bit of lip gloss in my lips because it's so cold and I have to moisturize it really well. So I did apply a lip balm and this lip gloss on top to last a little bit. So I'm gonna do this tutorial with you guys, and of course I'm gonna change the lipstick. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but with browns and neutrals you can do whatever you want. So stay tuned if you wanna see how I got this makeup look, and also subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it, and like this video if you did. So now let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a good eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre. I love this product, and I'm gonna use my fingers to apply. So today for this look, I'm gonna use the Just Peach Matte palette by Too Faced. Look how cute it is! Oh my god! And it matches with my background. I love this palette so much. It's very useful, and as you can see, it's all matte eyeshadows. So you can use it in any makeup look that you're gonna create. You can use many transition shades, and there's a beautiful magenta color that I wanna use it soon in a tutorial for you guys. So I'm gonna start off this look with the lightest shade, and I used this one right here, and this is called Peach Butter. To apply this eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a shader brush, and I'm gonna place this shade in the tear duct of my eyes and also below of my brows to highlight. Now with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna apply the color Peach Tea, and this will be my transition shade. And now I'm gonna use the shade Chocolate Dipped to create more dimension and drama in this makeup look. So I'm back. I just applied some fake lashes, and now I'm gonna apply this blush California Dream by Benefit Cosmetics. It's so beautiful. Look at this color. I love this color so much. It's more of a peachy shade and looks so good with bronzed skin. So I'm gonna apply using the brush that comes in this little box, and I'm gonna apply this product in the apples of my cheeks. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna remove this lip gloss in my lips, and I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick by Melt Cosmetics, and this is the shade Dead Cherry. Oh my god, look at this color. This is so stunning. I love this lipstick. What do you think? I think this is a beautiful color and matches with everybody. Everyone who loves red. Look at this. I think it complements really well this look and I love it so much. So you can keep this look matte as it is, or you can apply some highlighter. I'm gonna use this one by Ochre Cosmetics, and this is Everglow by Nick Tutorials with Ochre Cosmetics. Is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this color in the tear duct of my eyes, and also I'm gonna use this shade to highlight my face. So that's it, my lovies, for this look. I really love how the look turned out. I really hope that you love it much as I do. I love this bomb makeup look. A lot of shadows in the eyes and also a dark lip. I think it's so beautiful, so sexy, and very wearable because you can wear with anything that you want. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it, and also like this video if you did. And I see you in the next tutorials. Bye!